The multiverse hypothesis. The idea that our universe might be just one of many is no longer confined to science fiction. The multiverse hypothesis suggests there could be countless other universes, each with its own unique physical laws and constants. These universes may have formed through mechanisms like cosmic inflation or quantum fluctuations. Evidence for a multiverse is indirect and highly speculative. Some theories propose that anomalies in the cosmic microwave background might hint at collisions between our universe and others. However, these interpretations are contentious and far from conclusive. The multiverse raises philosophical and scientific questions. If other universes exist, what is their nature? Could they harbor life or entirely different forms of matter and energy? Such possibilities challenge our understanding of existence and the nature of reality. Studying the multiverse pushes the limits of what science can observe and measure. While it remains a controversial idea, it encourages bold thinking and opens new avenues for exploring the cosmos's most profound mysteries.